gotta get some runs in. I can take it. We're about to get taken to Applebee's, but fuck it. I don't think he expected like my car to be as quick, or you know, a little bit quicker than it was. That wasn't that bad. Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now, hope you guys did enjoy those runs I did get with the Turbo FRS. Now, I was racing a bunch of cars that I had no business running. Every single car that I ran had at least 150 to 200 additional wheel horsepower on me. I didn't know any of the mods done to both of those C6s. Obviously, they were not stock. They have, you know, very good power to weight. I didn't know the owners when I went out there. The only guy I did know was the dude with the 335i, and he was saying he was pushing around 450, was never on the dyno, but obviously from the footage, I hung in there better with both of the C6s than I did with that turbo 335i, so I think he's probably pushing around like 500, maybe close to 600 wheel in that car, because he actually showed me a video where he actually ran an A90 Supra with a downpipe and a tune, and he actually gapped the Supra worse than he did my car. So I don't know if that says anything. 450 wheel, who knows, but hey, good runs, good owners. I did talk to one of the owners of the C6s, the second C6 I ran. They were pretty surprised. The car hung in there really well. Honestly, I didn't think that the car would do that well at 7 psi, 330 wheel horsepower. Remember, I have not ran the car on the 10-pound map. Going ahead and getting my gauges installed, and then we're gonna finish up the revisions so we can run the 10-pound map as well as the 15-pound map, and we're gonna get some runs in, obviously, at those boost settings to see exactly how the car does stand. But 330 wheel horsepower running cars that an FRS, even boosted on low boost, should not even be fucking with, because realistically the last cars I should be trying to run are, you know, BMWs that, you know, are heavily modified, and some Corvettes. I want to go ahead and get some runs in with a couple Mustangs. Probably not going to happen until I go ahead and turn up the boost, because we're moving quite quickly with the tuning. So next time I potentially upload another race video, I'll probably be making way more horsepower, so you guys will be able to see exactly what's going on with the car when all that is done. Now also, I did want to go ahead and kind of put this out there. I did run a 135i, and that was a very, very, very close race. Unfortunately, my GoPro died literally as soon as I was lining up with that guy, so you guys are unfortunately going to be able to see that. But if some more footage does come up and somebody does send me some stuff, because every person I raced, even though I did not know them personally at the time of the race, was actually recording. So there's probably more shit out there that I could probably put together. I did get a run in with a scat pack. I personally do not have the footage, but the owner and his buddy that was with him definitely do have the footage. So if that does come my way, I will be uploading that. And I did get a run in with a GTI as well as a Q50, which I did beat, and they both were recording. So if that comes my way, I'll definitely go ahead and upload that footage to the channel. The car, it's doing really well. 7 psi, it surprised a lot of people. Hell, it surprised me. Those runs with the C6 Corvettes, man, damn. Honestly, I'm real happy to go ahead and turn up this boost. So hope you guys did enjoy, man. Pretty much just gonna, you know, get the car ready. I definitely need to go ahead and get my bigger intercooler and my oil cooler installed, because my oil temps were like 230 when I did those runs, so it's hot. And obviously 230 oil temps are way too hot when you guys are, you know, pushing, you know, an FA20 that's boosted. So I need those cooling mods ASAP, but I'm just waiting on JDL because everything's already been purchased in full, bought, just waiting for it to arrive. Hopefully it comes in this week. If it comes in this week, when I can pretty much get everything done, the retune, or not really the retune, obviously the revised tune, I can get my gauges done, as well as the intercooler and the oil cooler. That would be awesome. It would be perfect, because the temperature is actually going to drop back down below like 60 degrees. So if I get all that done with the improved cooling and the cool air, it's going to be some badass runs with the car at the current setup it is right now. So like I said, I want to let you guys know exactly what's going down with the car. I don't care about uploading L's, because hell, it's an FRS. Fuck, nobody expects me to win. Hell, I didn't even expect to win. I just want to see where the car is at. So if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you guys drop a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn those post notifications so you guys know when I upload a video, because there's a lot of content coming to the channel, and I want to keep you guys all in the loop. And I really enjoy making these kinds of videos. So catch you guys in the next one. Been your boy Redline POV. Deuces.